Hi guys, welcome back to my videos. In this one I'm going to be talking about how to spot a good property sourcer from a bad one. So let's get into it. Step 1 in identifying a good sourcer, you'll have to meet them face to face. The reason why you want to meet with a property sourcer face to face is so that you can verify they are who they say they are, and they're going to bring you the right deals and they're the right person for the job. You also want to make sure that you've told them all about your investment strategy and you've told them about the deals that you want them to bring you, and make sure that they're able to do so. I would advise meeting a property sourcer for a minimum of an hour on your first meeting so that you can get to know each other and make sure that you like each other and you can work together in the future. This is also the opportunity to ask them the tough questions so that you don't have any misunderstandings down the line. Step 2, you really want to make sure that they know their area and know their patch. Now, the easiest way to find out if the property sourcer really does know their patch is to take along a map of the area, lay it down on the table and ask them, tell me about the area. Where are the good areas to invest? What makes a good area from a bad area? If they truly do know this patch like the back of their hand, they'll have no problem telling you about it. Step 3, you want to ask them for an example case study of a deal they've already sourced. Now, the reason why you ask for a case study of one of their previous deals is so that you can satisfy yourself that they are not the type of property sourcer to massage figures to make the deal look more attractive than it really is. And also, you want to see how they present the deal. You want it to be concise, well laid out, professional, and most importantly, all the figures make sense and add up to a great deal. Now, you may be coming across a property sourcer who's never sourced a property before, but don't discard this person as simply an amateur, because they may turn out to be the best property sourcer you've ever met. If this is the case, what you can do is ask them to pick any property, it could even be the house that they live in, and produce a source document for you to look at. Make sure they've put the numbers in there, photos in there, and presented it the way they would when they do find that deal. This way, you'll get to see what you're going to expect from them in the future when they do start bringing you them great deals. This leads us to point 4. You've got to make sure that they know their numbers and they have a mind of an investor. Now, in my mind, this is one of the most crucial points when it comes to property investing. The sourcer really does need to have the mind of an investor, and they need to know how to do the numbers. Otherwise, they're going to start bringing you deals that don't even add up to a good investment. They don't make any sense, and they're going to waste your time and their own. A good way to test this is go through the case study that they brought to you and ask them to talk through the numbers. If they talk through them fluently and with confidence, then you can satisfy yourself that they really do know what they're talking about. Step 5, you want to know what marketing techniques they are using to find their deals. Any good property sourcer will be using a wide variety of marketing techniques to find the great property deals that you're looking for. They'll be doing hundreds of property viewings every month in order to find the right deals on the market, and also a wide range of marketing techniques to get them off-market deals that we're all after. So make sure you ask them what marketing techniques they're using. This way, you'll find out whether they are a good sourcer or a bad one, if they'll bring you the great deals or the average ones. And just as a word of caution, if a sourcer is asking for an upfront payment, you should be very wary. Unless they come well and truly verified and recommended by other investors, I wouldn't hand over a single penny. You want to make sure that they are incentivized to bring you a good deal before you give them any money. I hope this video is useful. I hope you take them 5 tips and find yourself a good property sourcer out there. As always, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.